Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Ro. I'm Ro, and in today's lesson, we're going to be going over HTML tables. Tables are a great way to organize and display data in a structured format. Let's dive in. To create a table, we use the table tag. Inside the table, so let's go ahead and start off with typing in table. Make sure you clear out your body, and I'll hit Control Save. So nothing yet. But that's because inside we need to use the tr tag, which defines the table row. TR stands for table row. And inside we need table headers. So now we can have as many table headers as we want. And in this case, let's do name and then another table header that says age and another one that says, let's do city. And now hit Control Save. And you'll notice that we'll see the three things that we typed in: name, age, city. And now I'll close the table row here. Now in the next row, what I'm going to do is type in, open up another table row, enter, and now I can type in the variables that's in corresponding order. So the first thing I want to type in is the name. So in TD, which is going to be table data cell, or the table data with the TD tag, I'll type in row, and you can put in your name, and then I'll do TD your age. So I'll do 100 in this case. And then I will do city. In this case, I'll do Los Angeles. I'm actually on East Coast time, but you know. And now you'll notice under these headers, it'll begin or it'll show the table and the information appropriate to it. And then let's say I want to copy paste this. You can change the data if you want, but I'll just copy paste it and it's going to, again, show under. So now we're going to add a little bit of CSS, not exactly the proper way of doing it, but for this case, let's do style, and this will take place above the body tag. So we're going to want the style up here. And now for our table, let's add a border collapse, border dash collapse. And then I'll do collapse in this case. And let's do a width of 100. So width is going to be 100%. The reason why we're doing this is because this looks horrible. So now let's hit Control Save, and you'll kind of see that it's spaced out, but it looks very odd. So now in this case, what I'm going to do is change the table header and the table data, and I'll add a little, I'll do a border of 1 pixel, and I'll do solid black. And then I'll hit Control Save, and you'll kind of see it. It's a little bit more organized. So now when you read it, you can kind of see what belongs where. And I'll do padding is going to be 8 pixels. So now it looks a little bigger, a little bit more readable, not directly against the line. And I'll do text align, and I'll do to the left. And now when I hit Control Save, you'll kind of see that LA is right under the city, 100 is right under the age, and my name row is right under name. And this is basically your first tutorial on CSS as well. So CSS and tables. And that's how you create style tables in HTML. So now let's do a little coding challenge. So try to recreate this, pause the video here, and let's go over it right after this. Welcome back. Let's go over the code. So I left the style the exact same, and I changed the title to employee information up here. And then I closed the style tag, and in the body tag, I added a heading 1, which says employee information table. And then I added an HR tag. Hopefully everyone got that, which is this line break over here. And then in our P tag, I said, welcome to our company. Below is a table of our current employees. So we're a bit understaffed, as you can see from the table. And in the table, I left the style the exact same, and I added name, age, city, just like we did during the practice. And I just added 2 people, John Doe and Jane Doe. 30, 28 respectively, and from New York and LA. If you got it, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Keep coding with Ro.